Hi everyone, this is Danielle with a Novel Plan. Welcome to my channel if you're new. If you're returning, welcome back. It's great to have you guys here. Today I'm going to be doing a quick plan with me in my Erin Condren hourly planner. I am going to be going with a Star Wars theme. We just rewatched all of the movies. Literally all 9 movies because we are planning a Disney trip and my girls hadn't seen the Star Wars movies, so we did it. It was amazing and I'm kind of on the Star Wars kick, so I'm going with it. So I am going to be using this sticker trio right here from Erin Condren. This is now on the website. It is amazing. It has hollow foil, it has sparkly foil on this one, and this one I think has silver foil. So this sticker trio I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using this Star Wars washi. Now this was a kind of pre-order bundle type thing from No White Space Stickers, but these are the rolls I got. This one is a 15mm or maybe a 20mm, one of the two. Millennium Falcon. This one is a lightsaber theme. It did come with 2 other washis. It came with these as well. This one kind of has like the Stormtrooper on it. And this one is BB-8. But I'm not going to be using these, I don't think. So I'm just going to use these ones right here, and then I'm going to be using this pen. I am in love with these pens. This came in a 6-pack of ballpoint pens. These are new to the Erin Condren website. These are kind of like a ballpoint gel pen almost. They're more gel-like than a normal ballpoint pen, and that's why I really like them. So let's pop to the week we're going to be working on. I am going to be doing for the week of August 9th through August 15th. And I don't have a whole lot of plans this week, so it's not going to be super busy and full, but I kind of wanted to show you guys what it looks like on a week that's not as busy. So let's see here. I have these labels, which I'm going to be using a lot of, and then these probably are going to be used for decoration, but I'm going to start off here. I really kind of want to put like a quote over here on the side. So they have like the sparkly hollow ones, but I kind of like these half circle ones. So I think I'm going to choose this one. It says, I don't even know if you can read it, but it says, "Do or do not, there is no try." And it's in this like mint color. So I think I'm just going to start this off and put it over here in the corner. So in the sidebar, I am just going to do a to do and a to buy section. So I'm going to use this blue mild liner just to add a little bit of color, and I'm just going to highlight one of these for that area, and then let's see, maybe I'll do it here and do it across. And I'm just going to write to do and to buy. I like having a section in my sidebar for miscellaneous things that come up. If something doesn't fit in my main spread, then I can put it over here. I am going to use this stencil right here from the Happy Planner, and I'm just going to use it to do like circles. Alright, so that's all I'm going to do for the sidebar. So during the week, I am going to add a little bit of decoration. I am going to use this thin washi right here, the lightsaber one, and I'm going to put this across the top right where it says 6 a.m. We are not up at 6 a.m. And so I figured this was a good spot to just kind of put some decoration. I don't want a whole lot. Oh man, I am struggling. I don't want a whole lot of extra stuff on this spread just because, I don't know, I just don't feel like it. I am filming right now when my kids are not home. My husband took them to do some practice for soccer. I'm just going to use this ruler to rip it. And so I'm by myself, and it is nice. It is quiet. It's a little weird because I'm so used to my kids being so loud. We only have a couple weeks of summer left. We go back August 30th, so not that much time left. We have enjoyed our summer, that's for sure. So I put that up there. At the bottom, I am going to put this thick washi. Now this, I think, is bigger than 15mm. I feel like this is like, I don't know, it's bigger, but I'm going to put it here at the bottom and fit it the best I can, maybe. I don't want to take up too much room, but I really, really like it. Like, Millennium Falcon is awesome. I was born in '89, so I grew up with like the original Star Wars. So when the new movies came out, I was like, oh man, I'm not gonna like them. I like the original ones too much. I hadn't watched any of them. And then they started coming back out again in like 2003 or something. I didn't watch any of them. I waited and waited and waited. Finally watched them, and I'm so mad at myself that I waited so long because they were so good. There we go. Oh, that looks so cool. Love this at the bottom. This is like a weirdly kind of dark spread. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to block off my meals because this week, guys, if you have been around for a while, I have struggled with my weight loss journey. Like, struggled. It has been an on and off again battle for me forever. And Monday is the day that I am restarting, and I really just need the accountability. I need to track my meals. I need to kind of, you know, see it all laid out to help myself. And if, like I said, if you've been around a while, I have talked about this on and off for, I don't know, a year, 6 months, something like that. And I'm getting there, guys. I'm getting there. Summer is so hard because the kids are home and it's just rough. And I know that's not an excuse, and I hate making excuses, and that's kind of what it is, but it's just rough. And I'm so used to, like, I got into this really good routine, like, around April, maybe May, where I would go to the gym, like, 3 times a week with my husband when the kids were at school, and I lost, like, 15 pounds, and I was doing good, I was in the right mindset, and then summer hit, and the kids were home. And then I had to figure out what I was going to do with my kids when I was going to work out, because they can't come to the gym with me because they're only 5 and 8. And I couldn't find a good solution, so I just stopped going to the gym. I haven't been in months, which is awful. So when they get back into school, it's just so much easier for me to drop them off at school in the morning and then head straight to the gym. But that's still like a month away, so I can't wait till then. I have to get on this. So I am going to focus the next 3 weeks on my diet specifically, so I can really, really work on losing weight, getting into a good habit, and then getting back to the gym. So I'm just going to mark off my meals, my breakfast at 7 a.m., my lunch at 12, and then my dinner at 5, so I can write down my meals and hopefully have that help me some with holding me accountable. If I plan out my meals ahead of time, it really helps me. So Monday, I have a couple things that I need to put on Monday. I need to do like a checklist. Ooh, how do I want to do the checklist though? Okay, so I'm going to get this stencil back out. And I think I'm going to, oh, I kind of like this. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. There we go. That looks okay. Not my favorite, but it's okay. So I have errands that I need to run here, and then I'm going to use a sticker. I'm going to use one of these big ones. Maybe not one of the big ones. Maybe one of the small ones. Where is the small sheet? There it is. All right, I'm going to use one of these small ones, and let's do this purple. It has Chewbacca on it in silver. So the girls are going, and they have soccer practice with my sister-in-law. Her sister is going to work with the girls for soccer before the season starts, just to kind of help them out a little bit. Tuesday, I don't think I have anything that I want to put on there yet, not that I can think of. Wednesday, the girls have swim lessons, so I'm going to use some more of these. Let's use the blue. Let's use the peach, maybe? No, let's do blue and mint. So they have swim lessons at 4:15 and then 5, so I'm just going to kind of stagger them a little bit. Put one above and one below. They were supposed to be taking some lessons during COVID, but those got canceled, so now they're in them, even though COVID's still around. It's just been interesting. That is not straight. Oh well. So if you haven't seen the video, I actually opened up my own planner sticker shop, guys. It is so exciting. I am loving it so far. It has been seriously one of the most amazing experiences I'm going to add one of these boxes up here on Wednesday because we have back to school shopping that we need to do. So I'm going to put this on here. Like I said, we got 3 weeks to get ready. So I did open my shop. It has been amazing. Thank you for all your support. I will link my shop in the comments below if you have not seen it. If you want to check it out, you can sign up for the email list and get a 15% off coupon for your first purchase. If you want to try some stickers, see how you like them. I have 3 fall kits, a back to school kit in there, a bunch of icons, a bunch of scripts. It has been awesome. It is amazing. I was so hesitant and so nervous to do this, and it has blown me out of the water. So I am going to pull in a few of the stickers from my shop just to kind of show you guys what they look like. I have some script stickers. I have the meal plan and the laundry and the grocery shopping that I'm going to be using. The grocery shopping is the 2 different fonts, and I'm going to pull in these 2 icons. I have like a bonfire and a scale that I'm going to be pulling in. These are $3 in my shop, and these are small icons. Let me know if you would like to see bigger icons. I can do that. I just prefer the smaller ones because they fit perfectly in an hourly. So weigh-in for me is Saturday. I'm going to put that guy right there. He fits perfectly in one of the lines. Not perfectly, but maybe a little bit over, but it's small, and it's just easier for me than to have one that takes up so much room. Bonfire we are going to do Friday, so let's put this one on Friday. And we'll put this guy down here. And then, let's see. My grocery shopping is going to be on probably Friday. Yeah, I think Friday. It'll probably be in the afternoon, though. So I'm going to put it right there. And then, you know what? Maybe I'll layer the grocery shopping with some Star Wars stickers. Let's see what I got. I have these, and I have some of these, but I think I want to use kind of some of these hollow ones. Let's do this one right here. I gotta be really careful. I didn't realize it was one big sticker. Oh, that's so cool with the X-Wings. Okay. So let's do this. We'll put the X-Wings flying up that way, and then I'll put the grocery shopping right next to it. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so let's see. Grocery shopping. And then I would need to do my meal planning over here. Honestly, I'm probably going to meal plan when they're at soccer. So let's pull in another sticker. Do I want this one? Let's do maybe just a star. Let's see how this looks. And we'll put it right there. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably end up meal planning at swim lessons because it's a little boring, and yeah, that's probably what I'll end up doing. So meal plan there, let's see. And then laundry gets done twice a week. So let's do Tuesday and Saturday probably. And I like to do my laundry in the morning because there's nothing worse than like having the laundry hang over your head like all day. It's just the worst. We'll do Tuesday and Friday. I do want to add a little bit of decoration in here. Probably over here I'm going to pull in one of these big ones. This is the Rebel sign. If you've never seen Star Wars, it is awesome. You should check it out for sure. I think I want to put it with maybe the Millennium Falcon because the Millennium Falcon is a Rebel sign. Let's turn it like that so the Rebel sign doesn't take up too much of the Millennium Falcon. Okay. Alright, so what I need to do is take this blue highlighter. Sunday is my day for my Sunday reset. So I'm just going to do that. And then write on their Sunday reset. Because I just need some time to reset for the upcoming week and get everything ready. This is more useful typically for me when school is in because I just have a set number of things that I need to do when they go back to school for the week, like, you know, order lunches for the week if I need to, or pack lunches, or clean out backpacks, things like that. I think I'm just gonna do, nope, I'll do 4. But I still like to kind of like reset for the week. In the back of my life planner, I have like a Sunday reset checklist. I've been doing really bad at like keeping up with it lately, but it's my optimal reset checklist. All right, so let me fill this in a little bit and I'll be right back. All right, so I went ahead and filled in what I needed to, and honestly, this week is looking super sparse, however you say that word. I don't have a super busy week, which is fine, but this is kind of what it looks like. Guys, if you think that like my spreads all look super busy, they don't. Like this was last week. It was very sparse, whatever you want to say. Some other of my spreads in July, let me go back a little bit. They are just, that one is not busy. This one was not busy. They're just, some weeks are not busy and there's just not a lot of stickers, and that's fine. This still looks nice and still functional to me. I have tons of room to add things in. I'm going to add my meals in, which will make it a little bit more full, but this will fill in as the week goes. This is just kind of a preliminary planning, which is fine. This looks good and it's awesome, and I am happy with this. Not all spreads have to be super jam-packed. So just kind of a heads up, a lot of my weeks look like this. Some weeks don't. Some weeks are super busy and very full, but this one is not one of them. So it's just kind of a easy week for me to plan, which is okay. Let me know if you guys would like to see more like this. I will leave links to everything in the description below. I will leave a link to my shop if you're interested in looking there. I do have kits for the hourly. They are 2 pages, which is awesome. I made my kits super simple, like they're literally 2 pages for an hourly. Of course, I got something on my kit there, but whatever. You have 1 full box which can go in the sidebar. You have a ton of different boxes. You have half hour, you have hours, you have 2-hour boxes, your checklists, you have some bottom washi, you have stripped date covers, your sidebar items, and a ton of icons. So it's just 2 pages, simple for like a base kit, 1 full box, and that's it. That is probably what I'm going to be using a lot of in the future when I get busier. I like the structure of them, so if you want to take a look at them, definitely head on over there. I will leave links in the description below, and I will leave links to all the Star Wars stickers too. So let me know if you would like to see more like this. I hope you guys are all having an awesome summer. If you're already back to school, we will be back to school soon too, so we'll be joining you. So I hope you guys all have an awesome day, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.